Yo, what's going on everybody? Today I will be doing a review on the Acer Nitro 27-inch 180Hz 1440p monitor. That is a very long name, guys. Over here you guys can see we will get into the unboxing right now, but I'm just showing you guys the color of the monitor, and I do actually have this monitor on a Vesa mount, so it looks a lot better. This is how the monitor will look with the stand. Now, as you guys can probably tell, the stand is probably different from the monitor that you have in your country. I don't know, guys. Acer makes the same type of panel, but every single one has a different design in each country. That's why I'm still gonna do this unboxing and review, just because it doesn't really matter which design you have. It's the specs that matters. So I will definitely link this monitor in the description if you guys want to buy it on Amazon. That also helps out the channel, of course. And yeah, you guys can get the same specs as this one. So right now, guys, as you guys can see, this is the box right here, 27-inch, 69 centimeters. So we are going to quickly unbox it over here. This is what you will be getting in the box. Over here, as you guys can see, is the stand. So this, like I said, the stand has a little bit of a different design than all the others, and then we will get into the rest of the unboxing. Over here is the display port. They did not include a HDMI cable, guys, but at least it has the display port, so that's pretty good. Then we're gonna get into this is how it looks basically, if you guys were wondering. And also I want to show you guys the length of this cable, because a lot of people are probably gonna be curious about that as well. So as you guys can see, it is a lengthy cable. It's not the longest in the world. If you have a very big setup, you're probably gonna have to get another cable. But this is the instructions, as you guys can see. I don't know who cares about that. This comes to the at the back of the monitor over there. And then in here is just warranty or some adapters. This is actually the adapters I used to kind of mount this monitor on the Vesa mount. You get the power supply over here, as you guys can see. Just click it in like so. It's pretty easy. Just make sure to match it up so you don't damage anything like that. Then we are going to see if this power cord is pretty long, which it is. Pretty good. Well done, Acer. Then we're gonna get into the rest of the video. This is gonna be the stand, guys. I really want to show you guys how to connect the stand, even though we're gonna use a Vesa mount. Not everybody has one. And yeah, that's basically it for all the accessories. Now we're gonna get into the monitor itself. As you guys can see, this is how the packaging looks, which is pretty good. They kind of took their time with the packaging, so to make sure it's not gonna be damaged. Now we're gonna open this up, and yeah, let's see how this monitor looks, guys. I'm really excited because I really needed a new monitor for a very long time. I am actually upgrading from 1080p 144Hz, so this is gonna be a huge upgrade for me. Let's hope my PC can actually run this, guys, because if it can't, I'm gonna have to buy a new PC in the future. Okay, just don't worry about the reflection, guys. That's just me doing the unboxing. But as you guys can see, this is how the monitor looks. I'm gonna keep quiet now because I want you guys to hear this part of the video. There you go, guys. As you guys can see, I really wanted you guys to hear that. But this is the stand. We are going to equip this like so. So every stand is different. Like I said, each monitor has a different design in each country, even though the specs are the same. So yeah, your stand definitely will look different, unless you're from like a country that has this particular design. And of course the back of the monitor will also look different, so don't worry, it's still the same panel, it's just a different design. But this is how you connect the stand. It's relatively easy for all of them. You get one HDMI 1 display port, 3.5mm audio, and the DC is of course the power point for the monitor. This is the place where you mount the stand or the Vesa mount. We are going to just show you guys how to mount the stand in case you don't have a Vesa mount, guys, to your Vesa arm that you can use. So as you guys can see, it's relatively easy. Just slide the arm in there. Make sure to click that button over there. It's always usually the same on all monitors. Now we're just gonna slide in the arm like this, like so, until you hear a click. And once you hear a click, guys, it will be secured. And yeah, you should have a really good sturdy monitor arm. I just don't like it that this arm doesn't have a lot of adjustability. But there you go, it is done. And this is how the monitor looks with the stand, which is really, I don't really like how it looks with the stand. That's why I'm gonna put this on a Vesa mount. It's just gonna look so much better. Of course, the stand also doesn't have a lot of adjustability. You can't even turn or tilt the monitor. You can't really do anything. It's just like so bad. So I really wish they kind of used a better stand like the Samsung Odyssey monitors, but that doesn't really matter for this price range because you can get a really good deal on this monitor on Amazon. So let me show you guys this. This is how you want to remove the arm in case you want to add a Vesa arm that I'm gonna do. Just click that button again. Now you're gonna slide out the arm until you hear a click, and then you guys will see it is relatively easy to slide the arm out like this. There you go. Very, very easy. And there you go. Now this is where the fun part is. I really had a 100mm Vesa mount, and I saw this is a 75mm Vesa mount monitor. So of course this is the problem. It's not gonna work. So I actually used some adapters that came with the monitor, and we managed to get it like this, which is a lot better. And I'm happy Acer included the extra adapter so I can fit this arm on this monitor. And yes, it actually looks really good on the Vesa mount, as you guys can see. That's why I would recommend just get a really cheap Vesa arm on Amazon. I'll definitely link one in the description as well in case you guys want to get a Vesa mount for this monitor, because it's honestly just so much better. This is the pixels, as you guys can see, for the IPS panel, which is really good because I kind of zoomed in very far away. And this is the colors if you play Fortnite. Now, of course, my PC is a little bit of a potato, so just keep no mind with that. But you guys can see the colors. There's no lag. There is a 0.5 milliseconds input delay, I think, which is very, very low. So you will definitely have low latency while playing Fortnite or anything like that. I did use high graphics for this because I wanted you guys to see how the monitor color is. And of course, the problem with a lot of these budget monitors is when you get to anything that's white, like snow or white text or anything like that, it usually kind of just like reflects too much, or you can't really see it. But of course, with this monitor, it's clearly not the case. With IPS panels that are this good quality, you can get really good colors even on this. This is a video I'm editing. As you guys can see, it's very good for video editing as well. And you also get DC PI. I don't really know what it is, but it's better than the sRGB color range. You get 95% on this monitor, which is way more than 100% on the sRGB scale. So definitely keep that in mind while buying this monitor. The colors are quite accurate for any type of gaming or editor needs. As you guys can see, this is how the monitor looks when I play anything like Fortnite. I also did edit a little bit so you guys can see if there's any lag, which there's clearly not, and the colors are just very, very outstanding. So that is basically the monitor. As you guys can see, I would definitely recommend this monitor if you guys want to pick it up on Amazon right now. It is currently on sale, so I would definitely recommend it. It is only $179 right now in the US. Now, of course, I don't know which country you're from, guys. It could be different in your country, but it is a very good deal. This monitor has a WQHD display. So basically the resolution I will put on screen right now, there you guys can see it's 180 Hertz, 0.5 milliseconds response time, AMD FreeSync. It doesn't have NVIDIA G-Sync, guys, which really sad. That is very, very bad, but it's okay. If you have an AMD graphics card, you guys are in luck. It also has HDR10, and I really have to say the HDR on this monitor is very good. A lot of these monitors, especially in this price range, the HDR is terrible, but this one, outstanding, guys. I would recommend it. And the DCI-P3 is the color range I'm talking about. It has a 95% rating on that, which is very good because that is about like, okay guys, I'm not gonna do the exact estimate, but it's about like 120% on the sRGB color rate or color space or something. So the color is very good on this monitor, guys. Don't get me wrong on that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check out this monitor and the Vesa mount in the Amazon link in the description. It does help me out so I can do more awesome reviews for you guys in the future. So yes guys, this has been the unboxing. We did a short review. This is not a very big review, don't worry guys. I will do a follow-up review in about 6 months or 3 months or something, and then you guys will see that review. So make sure to subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss that, in case you guys want to see how this monitor performs in the long term and if it lost or anything like that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are the best. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.